I'll show you a new easy trick to assemble steep angles. This technique takes advantage of the special tip of the new PWR DRIVE fit screw. Believe me, will save a huge amount of time. For show, let's make an octagon. Should be tough enough. Cut 8 equal pieces at 22.5 degrees. Normally, driving a screw at this steep of an angle is impossible, but with this screw, we can. Start by driving the screw completely straight. Once engaged, reverse the driver, and while maintaining a bit of a pressure, at reverse, position the screw at the proper angle. And now, drive it in. Discreet and rock solid. The same technique works perfectly for 5/4 inch thick lumber. Now, what could I do with all of those octagons? I had so much fun, I think I've made too many of them. Minty.